If you don't want to kill any plants, but you love them, then check out our stamping plates, because these plants I guarantee you will not kill, and they will always look good 24/7 year-round. Let's start off with our bonsai inspired plate. As you can see, all the tiny details transferred beautifully. And for those of you who don't know about lead lighting, take whatever colors you have and then a detail brush. Then you can just go ahead and fill in your design. Done with showing you the bonsai plant, let's get right into the carnivorous plate. And it may not seem like it, but if you're gonna go through all the effort of reverse stamping, then this might be a better solution for you. So these are our fun little creations using the bonsai plate M220 and our carnivorous plants plate M223.